Perched on slender steel columns, the bush block house rests lightly on the sloping terrain of Tītīrangi in Auckland, suspended above the native bush and the stream bed below. The house appears to float above the vegetation, avoiding excavation, respecting the topography, and keeping a safe distance from the flood zone. Access is via a narrow bridge that spans the void to the entrance. On one side, dense greenery. On the other, the sky. This small gesture turns the simple act of arriving home into a crossing, an architectural journey. And the bridge becomes a usable space, a spot for morning tea, or a playful racetrack for the children. The facade is clad in silvery metal panels that reflect the light in the surrounding greenery. The house blends in, almost disappearing into the landscape. Measuring just 14 by 8 meters, the compact volume accommodates everything a family needs. 3 bedrooms, a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry, all efficiently arranged within just 121 square meters. Inside, there's contrast, exposed timber, simple finishes, and bold colors, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. A large skylight runs through the hallway, bringing natural light deep into the interior. By giving up a garage and leaving the car on the street, the site was preserved almost entirely. A small shelter near the entrance holds bikes, garbage bins, and everyday items. Bush block is a powerful example of how architecture can be functional, sensitive, and discreet, honoring the land, the natural environment, and the rhythms of daily life.